too.
It's snowing again.
The bucket box.
Oh, wow.
See all the snow? Where does the pig go? Well, the pig goes right there. You're good. That's not where the doggy goes. Where does the dog go? Yes. Well, where does this house go?
Ready?
No.
Where does the house go?
I'll show you now. We'll watch it later.
Yeah. Oh, but then she goes into rage mode.
Almost got it. Almost got it.
Hello. No.
I was going to try to play guitar for Nina, but she was much more interested in trying to get inside the case. Cal needs his toenails clipped. And we're about to get them done.
Nina's helping Mommy put away the groceries, so she's such a good helper. Good job, Nina. Oranges. Good job. You almost got all of them. Uh-huh. Almost. Uh-huh. Good job. Where does that go? Uh-oh, fell down. Where does that go?
While doing his toenails, I realized his fingernails also needed clipping, so I got those done as well. And he's still being patient. The kids are finally asleep, so I'm gonna go outside and dig out the car because we have 4 new guests coming tomorrow. 2 couples, 1 in each room. And so I'm picking up 1 couple from the airport, so I need to get the car out of its icy, snowy spot. Had a little bit of a incident with the support, but it's okay because they were able to be printed in the air and then it attached, so it's going to be able to finish the head portion without a problem.
Here's the apple.
It's that orange, not an apple. Both kids are awake now. And I'm peeling an orange for the kids and mom. Well, for Mommy, Nina, and myself because Cal's gonna have it through Mommy. What's in your mouth, Nina? Orange. Pika. 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 You're not laughing anymore. It's not funny anymore? Pika. Yes! Pika. Nina wanted to come down and check on the print. And the support material here that broke off, like I said, was able to print in the air. And the ear looks fine. There's a little piece there that I have to cut off and maybe file down the bottom part, but it's alright. And the one on the opposite side is even better. So now we're just waiting for the top portion to finish, which my guess is that it's going to be finished in about an hour or 2. And the wrinkles here look nice. Nina's having a yellow apple today. Nina, uh-oh. Can Daddy have an apple?
My friends to drive me crazy. Was all this about turning me evil?
Got me. Did work.
Thank you.
I already spend every day with them.
You have some apple on your chin.
As crazy as they do.
She doesn't care. Nina wanted to come downstairs with me because I don't hear the 3D print anymore. And I'm gonna go check to see if everything's okay or if it's just finished. And Nina wanted to come along. There it is. All finished. I'm gonna start removing all of the support material and see what we got. I took off all of the easy supports. Now I just have to take this one out that's underneath his chin. That's the hardest one to get out because I'm always afraid of breaking something. I got all of the support material off. I just have to file some things down and patch the top of the head like before. Maybe patch the little hand down there as well. But that shouldn't be that big of a deal. This is definitely not as nice as the last one, but it'll look good once it's painted. Somehow a part of yesterday's video was lost. I don't know how I lost that bit that was talking about her books and putting her to bed and showing her go crazy with her books because she was crazy last night. But that video got lost, so this is a replacement video telling you about that thing that we lost. And I'll put some Nina in here too. She fell asleep all right. She was a little, she just hasn't been herself these past 2-3 nights. She's been very rough. I mean, she's normally a spirited child, but these last 2 or 3 nights she's been rough. But she fell asleep rather quickly. It's just she had to throw a few punches and kicks before she fell asleep, but then she fell asleep. So now Mommy and I are taking advantage of her sleep to finish cleaning up the second floor so that the guests have a nice place to come and stay. Good night, Nina.
Good night, Nina.
Good night, Cal.
Good night, Cal.
We love you.
I love you.